In this box is the MSI GE63 RTX 2070 9750H laptop. Just got this on Wednesday. It's Friday. It's time to unbox this. Over here are a few extra laptops I will compare them with later. Got this for about $1,723 from iBuyPower, obviously. They might be out of stock now, not quite sure, but you can definitely wait until I'd say August and these will be on sale for sure. So going to use the Westcott titanium scissors today. Let's open this. Okay, first thing inside, have a lot of air sealing. Oh, a lot of air sealing, yeah. A whole lot. Oh my god, what the hell is this shit? That's just too much. Why is there so much fucking air sealing? I mean, look at that. Oh my god. Okay, that's a lot more empty, so first is the mouse mat. Comes in like a, what's it called? Like a string bag, and it's pretty big. By iBuyPower, this was free. I could have got a keyboard for free too, but I missed out on that. But I mean, to be honest, this was probably a better keyboard anyways. Getting a Razer Huntsman Elite, so it doesn't really matter. All right, here it is. It's actually pretty big. Let me show you how big it is compared to the MacBook Pro. This is the 15-inch. Just look at that. It covers the whole thing. These are both 15 inches MacBook Pro touch bars, so it's pretty big. Nice. And here is the bag. Next is the iBuyPower mouse. This is also free. Okay, let me put it on here. Alright, cardboard box, nothing special. Holy shit. Here is like some specs. Nothing else in here, so it's like a little plastic sleeve here, and then here's the mouse. It's wired. I mean, it's okay. It's pretty cheap, but it does have that little like light RGB, and you have a DPI adjuster. Here is a mouse. Another mouse I have. I use this one on the regular basis. This is the Logitech K100. I do have a G502 Lightspeed that I'm going to get, but this is a comparison between the K100 and the iBuyPower mouse. It does have a little bit of a smoother scroll wheel on the K100 Logitech. All right, after that, you get the computer a little bit more air on the side. Smooth air shit, right? But here we go. Oh yeah, big boy. Holy shit, this is heavy. Didn't expect it to be that heavy. All right, MSI. Here it is. Big ol' iBuyPower box. Throw that. All right, let's check this out. All right, MSI. It is open because I did get a SSD upgrade of 512 Data SX 8200 Pro 512 gigabytes SSD. So Damn, look at this thing. I mean, come on, man. It's pretty lit. I mean, get all this shit off. I'm gonna have to. I mean, just look at this MSI right next to all this other shit. Gotta flex those titanium scissors like that. You know what I mean? Got some AirPods here. Don't know why. Got all my Mac and everything here. I mean, this is just the site though, you know what I mean? I mean, boom, Mac everywhere. Let me set this up. Okay, so onto the computer itself. Just get that light. All right, so here it is. So you can see that it's already been opened here to get that new SSD upgrade. I don't think we will need the scissors anymore, so let's put that on the side. Oh, guess I gotta lay it flat. Come on. All right, here we go. Damn, okay. Just got a lot of fun there. Put some there. Got your good old power shit, right? Got that PSU, you feel? Alright. Oh, big boy PSU. I mean, just look at this. This is the MacBook Pro USB-C for one of those. I mean, that's how big it is. That's 87 watts right there. Whoa. 87 watts. This shit, oh my god. This is a big charger. I mean, that's big. I mean, that's pretty big. You see what I mean? This is an Apple Watch puck compared to that. I mean, that's the logo. I mean, you see that? That's the logo. That's a huge charger. God damn. Oh my god. Big output though. Alright, put that in the box or something. I don't know. I don't have any space on this table anymore. Alright, here's the computer. I'm gonna take it out. So, you know, got the power shit here, but wow, the computer is actually pretty light. I'm not even gonna lie. This is honestly pretty light because I feel like the heaviest part of it was the charger. I'll show you the books in a second, the paperwork shit. Let me just put the computer here. Alright, this is what's left in the box. You have, I don't know what this is, honestly. Like screws and some, I don't know what this fucking shit is. But it's like screws and shit, I don't know. Got the books, right? Pretty lit, pretty lit. Books, right? Oh yeah, join the clan, MSI. Got like all of this shit in the back here. Oh yeah, let's get it. All right, let's do the reveal. Here we go. We're gonna take it out. Oh my god, damn. Okay, so here it is. Oh my god, this thing is like literally beautiful. Like they gave you a sleeve and shit, right? I mean, just look at this. All right, Raider. Damn. I don't know about the sticker. I don't know because I'm gonna put like Supreme and Off-White. I guess we could keep the sticker, but like kinda not what I really wanted. All right, here we go. Here we go. The seal. Didn't even break that tape. Here, let me show you guys. See that tape? See that on the background? Not even broken. See that tape? Not even broken. Because don't want to damage that shit, you feel? Alright. Wait, what? I don't know why it's not opening. There we go. It's like a lot of tape on here. Oh my god. All right, take that shit. All right, here we go. Now it's getting real. Has a little bit of like a plastic cover on it. Oh, here we go. Woo! All right, that's off. I don't know about the sticker. I mean, you can take it off. Yeah, you can definitely take that off. MSI logo, here we go. Oh, come on, what the hell? There is a sticker on here, I know that. Here, let me take this off first. Woo! Clean. Here we go. Came off pretty easy. All right, let's open this thing. I'm gonna have to put this on fucking like that because I can't open this with like one hand. So that is a concern. You can't open this with one hand, so you're gonna need like 2 hands to open this thing. Oh, okay, here we go. Just open the lid. Assembled in USA. Let's peel that off. Okay. MSI like cleaning cloth. I don't know, is protective or cleaning or what. Oh my god, this thing is literally beautiful. Holy shit. God damn. Oh, damn. All right, let's like boot it up, start it up. Here we go. All right. MSI. This is a full HD 144 Hz screen. Oh my god, do you guys see that? Let me turn off the light. Oh my god, do you guys see the keyboard though? Do you guys see that keyboard? Oh my god, this is like, what, white or green? I can't really, kind of looks like a greenish hue in person. I think it's supposed to be like a white, but it's kind of like a greenish hue. Look at that specs. This thing is a beast. Clicky, definitely clicky. I will get back to you when this is done. So was just taking a look at the key functions. So if you press function, all of the available function keys light up in red. See that? Pretty cool. And also, there are 3 buttons next to the power button. That is for individual SteelSeries customizations available within this keyboard lighting. This is the like turbo overclock thing. Check this out. That's max fans right there. So yeah, that's pretty useful if you're gaming and you don't want it to fucking overheat or something. That's a pretty useful shortcut right there, I'd say.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2".
Finished, but I mean, just look at the back of this thing. How lit is that? Oh my god, it looks like actually so beautiful in person. I mean, just look at that. Come on. All right. Where's the SteelSeries? Where is it? SteelSeries. All right, so this comes pre-installed. This is what you use to customize the keyboard and shit. So, Mystic Light. Here we go. Let me just check out this shit. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is what it's all about. Alright, so look how much zones there is to customize all this shit. Here are all of the, I don't even know what this shit is. I don't know how to do this. I will show you a preset when I'm done.